Hello there, I am here again to teach you another technique in Excel. First, I will teach you about Concatenate. Concatenate is about merging or combining data into one column. Now here is an example. In this spreadsheet, you will see list of names which we are going to merge into one column. Column A for the first name and column B for the last name. We will combine it in column C, which is the full name. First, we will click on the formula in the menu bar and then click on insert function, and now you will see this box here with lots of functions to choose from. However, all we need is just concatenate, and instead of browsing all the way down to look for the word concatenate, we may just type it in here. Type concatenate, go, and then you will notice that the concatenate appears already. Click OK, and then the function arguments appear here. In this box, it's either that you will type the column that you will merge or select for the column that you will combine. In the text toolbar, again, it's either type for the cell that you will combine or merge or select for the column. You will notice that the name in here shows no space in between the first name and the surname. So I believe that there's an error here. What we need is a name, space, and then a surname. Here we will just delete it here. Go over to the text tree, and then again select for the column which is the last name. However, you will see that the result still is he has no space in between. So here's the solution here. In text toolbox, we will just type for the quotation space quotation. This symbol here signifies about the space between the first name and the surname. Click OK, and here's the result. You will just copy it all the way down, and you're done. Hope this helps. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.